Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and these kimteny dishcloths have been a great all-purpose cloth for all kinds of chores. They are incredibly soft, fluffy, and absorbent. The softness of these cloths makes them great for delicate kinds of jobs, such as cleaning my iPad. These are so gentle on the screen. I have absolutely no worries of them scratching it. I love using them when I'm washing the dishes because they get really nice and soapy, and they get a really good clean on all of my dishes. They're definitely durable enough to scrub with, and I also find them to be the perfect size. Some cleaning cloths I've had in the past have been so tiny that I felt like they barely did any cleaning, while others have been so huge that they were hard to control. I find these to be just the right size. Despite the fact that these cloths are a little bit fluffy, I have not noticed them shedding any of their fibers while I'm cleaning with them. They don't leave anything behind, and I find myself reaching for them all the time, no matter what kind of household job I'm doing. If you're like me and you're starting to think about doing some spring cleaning soon and you want to get equipped, well, check out these kimteny cleaning cloths. And that's my point of view.